Welcome back. Let's look into a good question of LRDI. I hope that you people have attempted this question. If not, the link of the question is there in the description section. First try to solve this question and then come back and watch the video solution. Now let's read the set. In a class of 100 students, there are five class representatives A, B, C, D, E. Each of the 5 CR has 19 different friends, such that every student in the class who is not a CR is a friend of exactly one of these 5 CR. A teacher of that class gave them 3 assignments, 1, 2, 3. After the last day of the submission of the assignment, the teacher asked all the 5 CRs to count the number of the students in the class who have finished each assignment. Each of the 5 CR included themselves and their friends in the count, that is 19 friends. Each CR will have 19 friends as mentioned above. Those who have finished each of the assignment irrespective of whether they finished it or not. So CR would be biased, or each CR would be biased for his 19 friend. Even if they have not completed it, they will count it. Among those who are not his friends of a particular CR, the CR counted only those students who had finished the respective assignments. Now for the other students who was not his friend, he actually counted the number of the students who have completed the assignment. Each CR along with his friend is referred as group A, group B, C, D and E respectively. So group A would include CR1 and his 19 friend. Similarly, group B would include CR2 and his 19 friends. Similarly for group C and so on, that it will include CR3 and his 19 friend, and these 19 friends are not the friend of the other CR and nothing else. It is all the friend of this CR1. That's it. Now let's read further. Partial information about the number of the students who finished each assignment according to each CR is represented in the table below. Okay, so partial information is there. 2 blanks are left here and here. Okay. Now what does this 85 means over here? Now if we have to understand what does 85 means over here, 85 means that assignment 1 according to group A or the CR of group A, 85 students have completed this assignment. Now what would CR of group A include? It will include all his friends, that include himself and all his friends, 20 people. Plus he would include all the other members of the other group, that is group C, group D, group E. We have 4 other groups. So all the members of the other groups who have completed the assignment. Okay. Now one important point to make is that each group contains 20 people. Now the maximum difference between these numbers, would be 20, because CR को गड़बड़ करने के लिए सिर्फ अपने ही ग्रुप में वो गड़बड़ कर सकता है, दैट ही कैन बी बायस्ड, कि जो लोग नहीं किए हैं उनको वो इंक्लूड कर ले, और एक ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम 20 लोग हैं और एक ग्रुप में सिर्फ 20 ही लोग हैं. सो द मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नंबर्स ओवर हियर वुड बी 20. सो दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू नोट, राइट? ओके, दैट्स इट. So let me erase this and let's see what further questions are there. Now the first question is, what is the total number of the students in class who finished assignment 1? So we just have to focus on assignment 1 and these are the numbers, and we need to find the exact number of the students who finished assignment 1. Okay, now let's suppose that a number of students in group A have not finished the assignment, B number of students in group B have not finished the assignment, C number of students in group C has not finished the assignment, and D number of students in group D have not finished the assignment, and E number of students in group E has not finished the assignment. Now what do this 85 represent? 85 says that, or represents that 100 minus 85, that is 15 number of students have not finished the assignment, and he will, or this CR of group A will include all the other members of the other groups who have not finished the assignment. So it includes that B plus C plus D plus E equals to 100 minus 85, that is 15. Okay, because he is not counting only those number of the students who are in other groups and who has not finished the assignment. So that would be 100 minus 85, because according to him 85 number of students have finished. He has counted all the numbers of the student in his group. He has not counted the number of the students in the other group, and not counted means 100 minus 85, that makes it to 50. If you can understand this, it would be easier now. So what would 74? 74 means 100 minus 74, that makes it to 26, and this would include all the students who have not completed the assignment, that is A plus C plus D plus E, because he will count all the students of his group, okay, and he will not count all the students from the other group, and that would make it to A plus C plus D plus E equals to 26. Now let's move fast. So A plus B plus D plus E would equals to 24, and similarly for D it would be A plus B plus C plus E equals to 20, and for the last one it will not count all these it will not count the students for his group but for the other group, so that would make it to A plus B plus C plus D equals to 81. So that is 100 minus 81 is 19. Now if you have a very basic understanding of algebra, you must be knowing where I'm heading towards. Now if I sum this up, I'll get 4 A's, 4 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's, 4 E's. So that is A plus B plus C plus D plus E, and let's sum this up over here. Now let's sum this up. 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, plus 9 is 24, carry 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Now A plus B plus C plus D plus E would equals to 104 divided by 4 would make it to 26. This shows that total number of the students who have not completed the assignment equals to 26, because A was the total number of the students who have not completed the assignment in group A. Similarly for B, C, D and E. Now I know the sum of the total number of the students who have not completed the assignment. So the total number of the students who have completed the assignment would be 100 minus 26, that makes it to 74. So answer is B, 74. Now question number 2 says how many students in group C finished assignment 2? So group C finished assignment 2. We just need to focus on assignment 2, and we have a blank over here, so we need to be very careful. Okay, so I just can remove these numbers and see what I can get. Now question number 2 says how many students in group C finished assignment 2? Okay, so we just need to concentrate on assignment 2, group C. So can I write similarly B plus C plus D plus E would be 35. This is 59, so that would be 41. This is 71, so that would be 29. This is 79, so this would be 21, and I don't know this number over here, so if this is X, this would be 100 minus X. Okay, now very important point to note over here is that these two equations, if you look into these two equations little deeply, the value of these two equations varies by 20, and this is the maximum difference that it can have. Now let's see what exactly I mean to say. Now let's suppose we need to find the total number of the students who has not finished the assignment. So that equals to A plus C plus D plus E, isn't it? It is the total number of the students who have not finished the assignment. If I take this value anything greater than 41, that let's suppose 42, then what is the value of, according to this equation, if you look into this equation, what is the value, what number is missing over here? D is missing. D would equals to 21, which is not possible. If D equals to 21, it says that it means that there are 21 number of the students in group D who have not finished the assignment, but that is not possible because each group contains just 20 number of the students. So A, B, C, D and E, their limit is from 0 to 20, right? That is what I explained, that maximum difference would be of 20 in the numbers. And in fact, if I take just the difference also won't include or exceed more than 20. In fact, you can get it by equation itself, that a plus c plus d plus e cannot be more than 41. If I do that, I'll get the value of d equals to 21. That does not make any sense. So the value of a plus c plus d would just be equal to 41. Okay, because you can easily get from these two equations that they are exactly 22, or the difference between them is exactly 20. Now a plus c plus b plus a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to 41. Now I can, or what do I need to find? I need to find how many students in group C finished assignment 2. If I get C, I will easily able to find the exact value which I need to find. So a plus b plus c plus d equals to 41. Now if I use this equation, I can find the value of C. The value of C would be 12, because it is a plus b plus d plus e. So C would be 12. If C is 12, it means that 12 number of students in group C have not finished the assignment, and I need to find the total number of the students who have finished the assignment. So that would be 20 minus 12, and that is 8. So answer to this question is A, 8. Now let's look into question number 3. So let me erase this. Now question 3 says that if in group A, number of the students who finished assignment 3 is 15. Okay, so number of the students in group A who has finished the assignment is 15. So it is indirectly giving that value of A would be 5, because in each group we have 20 students and 15 students have finished the assignment. Then value of A equals to 5. How many students in group C finished the assignment? So if I get to know the value of C, I can answer the question, right? That would be 20 minus C. My all focus should be on to get the value of C. So it is talking about assignment 3. Okay, so let's suppose there is one blank over here. So let's suppose this is X. So B plus C plus D plus E would be 100 minus X, right? Now this is 75. So the difference, that is 25. Again, this would be 28. This would be 32. And this would be 31. Now let's quickly sum this up. If I sum this up, I will get 4 times of A plus B plus C plus D plus E. And on the RHS, I'll get how much? 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 1 is 6, carry 1. And again, this is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3, 1, carry 2. Okay, 216 minus X. Okay, and this is A plus B plus C plus D plus E. We know the value. How can we solve? We need to find the value of X, and if we do that, we can easily do this. So let's try to simplify this further. Okay, we know the value of A, that equals to 5. Okay, can I write like this, taking this as 100 minus X and value of A equals to 5. So can I write it like 105 minus X? Yes. And this equals to 216 minus X. Now I can easily find the value of X, right? I can easily find the value of X. The value of X, 105 5 minus X equals to, this would make it to 54 minus X by 4. And if this comes up over here, I'll get let's take minus X to this side. This would be 3X by 4 and 54. So that makes it to 51. And value of X over here, 3, 17, 17, 4, 68. X equals to 68, right? X equals to 68. When X equals to 68, I can easily find, when X equals to 58, what would be the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E, that is the total number of the students who have not finished the assignment, that would be 54 minus x by 4, right? If I divide this by 4, 54 minus x by 4, and x by 4, x is 68 and 68 by 4 is 17. 54 minus 17 would make it to 37. It means that 37 students have not finished the assignment. 37 students have not finished the assignment, and we need to find the value of C. Now in order to find the value of C, I can use this and then I can get C. C would be 37 minus 28. 37 minus 28 makes it to 9. So it says that it means that 9 students in group C has not finished the assignment. Then 11 students must have finished the assignment, because in each group 20 students are there. Hope this is clear. It says that what is the minimum number of the students in group E that must have finished the assignment. So in order to find the minimum number of the students in group E that must have finished the assignment, we need to find the maximum number of the students in group E that have not finished the assignment. So we need to find E max, because E max denotes the maximum number of the students who have not finished the assignment. These values will remain same. So let's sum this up. Again, if we sum this up, we'll get 4a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay, c plus d plus e, and this was how much? 216. We have seen in the previous question, minus x. Or in fact we can write a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to 54 minus x by 4, right? Now we know the value of this a plus b plus c plus d, right? What is this? This is 31. We need to find the maximum value of E max. In fact, we need to find the maximum value, and this equals to 54 minus x by 4. Okay, and this would be equal to, if I write E max would equals to 54 minus 31 would be 23 minus x by 4. Now in order to maximize the value of E, we need to find the minimum value of x. We need to find the minimum value of x. Hope this is clear, right? In order to find the maximum value of E, now we need to find the minimum value of x, because it is in subtraction sign before that. Now what could be the minimum value of x? Now let's look the number over here. What could be the minimum value of x? Okay, minimum value of x that would do the job. Now let's see that if we look in the number and we know that the maximum difference between the numbers would be 20, maximum difference between these numbers would be 20. So x ka value over here would definitely be greater or equal to 55, because 75 is the maximum number and the maximum difference between any number is 20. That I have explained initially, that maximum difference between any number would be 20, because हर एक CR को अपने ही ग्रुप में गड़बड़ करने की स्पेस है, and each group contains 20 numbers. So maximum difference between the numbers that he counts actually is of 20. That is the difference that can create. So x की value, also we can see from this equation that x has to be a multiple of 4, and x ka value should always be greater than or equal to 55, right? Because the highest number is 75 over here. So we can say that x is greater or equals to 55. Also x has to be a multiple of 4 from this equation. So the nearest multiple of 4 we are getting is 56. Now let's see if 56 does the job or not. Now if I take x equals to 56, I'll get E max equals to how much? I'll get E max equals to 23 minus, and this is 56 by 4, that is 14. So 23 minus 14 is nothing but 7. 6 plus 3, that is 9. Okay, E max I'm getting as 9. And now let's check back if I'm violating any of the equations or not. Now what is the value that I'm taking? X equals to 56. Then this value would be how much? 44. 100 minus x, taking x equals to 56. Now what would be the value of this complete equation? This would be how much? 54 minus x by 4. So that is, it is 40. Now this is violating. You can see that when b plus c plus d plus e equals to 44 and a plus b plus c plus d equals to 40, so it clearly shows that some of the numbers would be negative, which is not a possibility. That is not a possibility. So I cannot take x equals to 56. I cannot take x equals to 56. Okay. So what is the other number that I can take, which is a multiple of 4? A little hit and trial would do the job. So I'll have to erase this. Now if I take x equals to 60, now if I take value of x equals to 60, this would be greater than 55, which is originally. Now when x equals to 60, then 100 minus x would equals to 40, right? I would definitely get a value for e, 60, 15, 8, right? I'll get 8 over here. I'll have to check back with this. When x equals to 60, this would be 54 minus 15, that is 39. Okay, again that is not possible. So the next number which would be a multiple of 4 would be 64. Let's cross check with that. If that is 64, then 100 minus x would be how much? 100 minus x would be 36, right? Okay, then what would be the value of this equation? We have taken x equals to 64. So 54 minus 16. 54 minus 16 is getting us 38, right? Now this is not violating this because b plus c plus d is 36. A plus b plus d plus e is, which is 38, which is greater than 36. In this case, e would be equals to how much? What value of e will get? E max. We are taking x equals to 64, so that is 16. 23 minus 16, e max equals to 7. When e max equals to 7, the total number of the students in group E, or the minimum number of the students in group E that must have finished the assignment would be 20 minus 7, that is 13. So this would be the answer. Hope this is clear. Now if you have understood the solution, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.